Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about Godox C5R light, which I have been wanting to use this lights for my shootings. So I'm going to just open up the box and we're going to see what we have inside our box. So after that I'm going to talk about it. Before that, you can see that it has wireless charging and also has a magnetic design, so you will see. And also you can control from your application, which is Godox Lite app. So let's see what we have inside it. So our box comes with the light, and it comes with a silicone protector which you can use it, and also one bag, and the base you can work on it. You can just plug in over here, and a Type-C charger, and also one user manual. Now I'm gonna try our light with the application, so we can see how we can use our light when we are shooting photos or videos. So I just put the plug base to our light, so you can use like that, or you don't need to put the base under it, and you need to turn it on from here to push a couple of seconds, so you can see the lights. And just my lights is on, but you can see how you can shoot a product over here with those lights, so it looks great when you are shooting. And I'm gonna just move it, my camera, so you can see how bright it is. And also you can control your light over here from those sections. And now we are gonna use our light with the application. When you turn it on your Godox Lite application, you're gonna come here, so choose create a studio. You can name anything, and after that when you go to your studio, it asks to turn it on the Bluetooth, so you're gonna turn it on Bluetooth. So we're gonna find our device right here. So, and after all, it's searching right now. Our light is on, so we're gonna find it, and we're gonna add it to our application, and also we're gonna control it. So we found our light over here. I'm gonna just go on, just choose it and go on with yes. So we're gonna see what options we have. So you can choose the color from 2500 key to 8500 key. So we're gonna move from the colors so you can see the change, and also you can you can turn it on the brightness, or you can just make it a little dark. It just depends on your creativity and your shooting. And also from here you can see you can just move to 8500 key. The color you like, it's also just up to you, so you can choose warmer to the more bright colors. You can do whatever you like with this application and with this light when you are shooting. On the application, from this section, from the mode sections, also you can choose HSI to move on the colors, to choose another color like that one, like green or anything, or you can go to RGB to choose another color, or from the FX it's more colorful, so you can choose from here like a fire truck, an ambulance, or a police car, or firework, whatever you like. Or you can choose a music and just work on it, so you're gonna see how it works. So this is like a flash and also laser. It's just all up to you. And like That's all I guess I can tell about our lights and the application. So thank you for watching and see you soon.